Hello everyone. So if you want to set up a do not disturb mode on your Vivo X80 Pro, first of all swipe down from the very top of your screen, swipe down once again, and now here we gotta find our do not disturb mode. Here it is. So to enable it, simply tap on the icon and it will be enabled. If you will hold on the icon, you can get into the settings of your disturb mode. So for example, you can make exceptions. So for calls, for example, choose some contacts, or you can press anyone or none and no one will be able to call you, right? Choose messages, which contacts can you send you the messages and they will go through the do not disturb mode, which applications can send you notifications, which alarms, right? So you can choose specific ones. Now you can set up a schedule, so press add, choose event or time, for example time, let's name it work, press add, and you can adjust it. So choose the days when it's gonna be active, for example from Monday to Friday, press done. It's gonna be from 9 a.m. and up to 5 p.m. right, press OK. You can set up an alarm, can overdo end time, do not disturb behavior, and so on and so on. So go through it and choose the one which will gonna be the most convenient for you. Now, if you want to turn off your do not disturb mode, simply swipe down from the very top of your screen, find this icon, tap on it, and it will be turned off. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.